How to add Google AdSense ads to Shopify. So right here, I'm just going to go to Google AdSense, and from the left hand side, we have to click on ads. From this page, we will select by ad unit, and you will be able to see the different ad units here. We have display ads, we have in-feed ad, in-article ads, and multiplex ads. For the sake of this tutorial, I will just choose display ads, and it will show us an example ad which we were going to add to our Shopify website. You can choose horizontal, you can choose vertical, the type of ad that you want to add, and right here I will just choose square, and we have to set an ad unit name, so I will do Shopify test. And after we have typed out the name, if we click on create here, it will generate HTML code for us. So right here, after you have generated and copied your code, I'm going to pretend like this is my code. We will go back to Shopify, and this time we are going to click on online store, and it's going to automatically take us to the themes page. We will scroll down and we will click on customize here. So after we have clicked on customize, then we can choose where we want to add our ad. So for example, in the header, we will click on add section, and we have to search for custom liquid, and just choose the option for custom liquid. So after we have created a custom liquid here, we will just click on the button itself, and here's where we actually paste our ad code. So just right click and paste, and if you have successfully copied your code here, then this will add the ad at the top of your Shopify store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.